Welcome to my YouTube channel Daily Breaking News. Where Rachel becomes a viral meme after stunning the crowds with kangaroo and sprinkler dance moves, and now the world has had its say on our Aussie Olympian. Breaking made its debut at the Olympics with 36-year-old Uzi Rachel, known as Regan, showcasing a bizarre performance that included kangaroo hoops and moves you expect at 4 a.m. After a few hours, the kangaroo moves of her are trending. Check out, guys, it is a must-watch kangaroo dance of Rachel.